Hi, I'm Kirsten, and in this video we're going to look at what would happen if a point mutation were to occur in this sequence of DNA. But first we must discuss what types of mutations we could see. So we know that adenine and guanine are purines, and cytosine and thymine are pyrimidines. So if we see a substitution from a purine to a purine or a pyrimidine to a pyrimidine, this is called a transition. If we see a substitution involving a purine with a pyrimidine, or vice versa, this is called a transversion. So going back to our DNA sequence, we need to translate it to mRNA in order to determine the amino acids that it codes for. In a point mutation, what happens is that the DNA sequence experiences a substitution, either a transition or a transversion, as we talked about before, and this mutation alters translation and the amino acid sequence that the strand originally coded for. For example, if we take this sequence, which is already translated and given its respective amino acids, and we put it through missense mutation, it will look like this. This type of mutation alters the amino acid produced. Here, we can see that this guanine underwent transition and resulted in an adenine. Once this is translated and coded for its amino acid, we see that instead of threonine, we get isoleucine. Another example is nonsense mutation, which results in an amino acid mutated to a stop codon. So looking at the same example, we see that this guanine is substituted with an adenine, and that results in a stop codon rather than arginine from the original strand. Now, a silent mutation ends up coding for the same amino acid as the original sequence. If this cytosine is substituted with guanine by transversion, then the resulting amino acid produced is glycine, which is the same as the non-mutated sequence. Finally, a read-through mutation happens when a stop codon is mutated to an amino acid codon. When this thymine is substituted with an adenine by transversion, then instead of a stop codon, the sequence then gives tyrosine, making it longer.